Hey everyone, if you've been hearing about cloud AI but you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use cloud AI step by step, from creating an account to running your first AI project. Yeah, we'll keep everything simple, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cloud AI website. If you're new, select the option to create an account. You can usually register using your email address or an available sign-in method. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. This is where you'll find your AI tools, projects, settings, and account options. Take a moment to look around. Becoming familiar with the layout makes everything much easier later. Next, click the button to create a new project or start a new workspace. Give your project a name if prompted. Depending on the platform, you may also choose the type of AI model or service you want to use, such as text generation, image generation, speech processing, or data analysis. Now comes the fun part. Enter your prompt, question, or instructions into the input box. If your task requires files, upload your documents or images before running the request. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI's response will usually be. After everything is ready, click the Generate or Run button. Cloud AI will process your request and display the results. Review the output carefully, and if needed, adjust your prompt and generate again until you're happy with the results. So don't be afraid to experiment, and that's how you use Cloud AI from start to finish. Once you get comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced features and build even more powerful AI workflows. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials.